Good morning everyone, welcome to a vlog. It has been a while. I thought I would just take you along with me today, share what I'm doing on a kind of regular work day in my life. I always really enjoy doing these occasionally. It's a chance to catch up in a bit more of a casual way. So my husband has a couple of meetings this morning, so I'm just sitting down behind my computer to do some work there. I'm gonna answer some emails. I came up with a few video ideas just now, so I need to type those out really quickly, and I'm gonna order groceries today. There's a bunch of stuff I want to do today, and tonight I have ballet class again. Finally, ballet classes started back up last week as COVID measures are slowly being lifted in the Netherlands, so I finally get to dance again. It has been way too long. I have lost all of the little flexibility I had, so I definitely need it, but yeah. Gonna do some emails first, and I am making tea because you need tea for a task like this. Long time behind the computer. Time to trim these bangs. It is insane how quickly they have been growing. It must be the biotin, but look. A little bit shorter. By the way, look guys, I am getting my first grey hairs. It's a bit early apparently compared to the rest of my family, but I'm sure it's a stress. 2020 and the start of 2021 were really hard on me with the pandemic and mostly caring for elderly sick rats. I took that really hard. It was very intense, so it must have been that. I'm pretty sure. Stress related, but honestly I don't mind. I actually really like the look of grey hair. It is maybe a bit early. I'm 28 now, but then again it's not outrageously early either, so I'm just gonna accept it and hope it turns out nice, in a nice pretty pattern or something. I'm sure you'll see more of them popping up in videos every now and then. Anyways, it's time to have lunch. We have almost run out of bread, so I think I'm gonna heat up some soup and make some toast with that maybe. I do really need to order those groceries today though. apparently it's going to be 31 degrees later this week, so this is the time I need to bring out my summer clothes again. So I'm gonna head to the storage, pick up my summer and winter clothes, and then see if there's anything I can put away, but definitely get my summer clothes inside my wardrobe because I need them now. And also a package just arrived, so I'm gonna see what came. Bag with summer and winter clothes was way too heavy for me to carry, way too heavy. So I just carried my summer clothes in a pile. It was fine. Package wasn't mine, by the way. Robert's book arrived. Time to fold all of this up, hang it up, get it in my wardrobe. I don't really think there's anything that needs to come out right now. Although, maybe, oh, never mind. Just looking at it, there are some things that can come out. This, I don't need sweaters anymore, definitely. Maybe it's good to make some room, actually. This one, this is an autumn dress. Do I like this dress? This is unexpected, but I'm looking at it now. I used to love this dress. But looking at it now, it is that style that I love, but I feel like I have much better options in that style now. And this one's also a little bit short. I might demote this one to vacation clothing. Okay, maybe I do need to go through this actually. I'm also looking at this dress, and this was fairly new. I got this for a collab last year, but this is not my color. I love the dress. I think it's adorable, but this color does not look good on me, meaning I probably won't wear it. Again, I have so many dresses in this style now that I can't really see myself reaching for this one. I might donate this. Something I'm definitely not donating. This, one of my all-time favorite dresses. Absolutely adore this. This is my first second-hand find ever, and it is a gorgeous dress. Can't wait to wear this again. My little jumpsuit. I don't know what I did. I think I forgot to make a facing for this one, because it has exposed interface. Just weird. What happened here? I think this might be the first thing I ever made with a pattern. No, it's ripped. Oh, I need to fix this. This one needs some TLC, but I'm not getting rid of it. My meadow dress. This needs altering if I am to keep wearing it, because it is very, very short. Maybe it's time for another mend and alter clothes with me video. I have one more thing on my to-do list today before dinner and heading off to ballet class, and that is to hang this canvas. I got this from Royal Paw Family. It is a portrait of Dermot, obviously, wearing Napoleon's authentic outfit, and I absolutely adore this. I haven't really talked about this, but all my boys sadly passed away within the range of a couple of months. The last one passed away very recently, a month ago. We have decided not to get any new pets for now. I can't take it anymore. Every time we lose one of the ratties, it feels like a part of my heart is just torn out of my chest, and I feel like if we keep this up any longer, there won't be any of it left. So the boys that you guys knew will be the last boys for the foreseeable future in any case. So we have a couple of mementos around the house to remember them by, and I really, really love looking at them. We miss them so much, and Dermot here, He was the king of the cage, he was our alpha male, and he was so good at it. He took his task very seriously. So I think this is just so fitting, and I think this is hilarious and adorable, and I absolutely love it. Yeah, Royal Paw family, they do these portraits of pets in historical clothing. They can do any pet, which I absolutely love, not just cats and dogs, although they do cats and dogs as well. I love how it looks just like Dermot's. They did give me a discount code, so there is an additional 20% off for the first 50 people to use the link in the description, or code Loepsie20. What I wanted to do today is to finally give this a place in the home, because I haven't really decided yet where I'm going to hang this. As much as I love this, it is very colorful and our home is very neutral, so I have to find a way to make sure this is on display, because I definitely want to have this in a prominent place or in view without it taking over the entire interior. So yeah, let's find a place for it. We just ate a lovely pasta that Robert prepared, and now I need to head to ballet class. Running a bit late, so I really need to go. Let me do something about my hair, get changed, and hop on my bike. I made it back home. I am tired, so I think I'm just gonna sit down, watch some television. I have half an ice cream left in the freezer. We ordered some food yesterday and I couldn't finish my ice cream, so I think I'm gonna finish that now, watch some TV, and end the video here. Robert's out for the evening. He has a scouting related meeting, so it's just me by myself, so I can watch some trashy reality TV and eat my ice cream. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for spending the day with me today. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for lots more beauty, fashion, sewing and lifestyle content. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching once again, and I will see you next week in my new video. Bye!